Say, excuse me. I want to go through. Here, you want to get out of the way? Maddie's trying to get through, but Mommy.
No.
Come on. Get out of the way, Mommy. Let him go. Move over a little bit.
Let me go.
Here.
Go this way.
Mommy, no, that's not nice. Let him go through, Sweet Pea.
Please move.
Okay. Oh, here they come. Here they go. Here you go. Here you go. Here was Matt. Maddie, slow down.